Okay, I'm at my buddy's house, and Steve Faler showed up with a clock that he's working on for mine, my antique Albert Fig clock. And I had to go get my camera because this is what he starts with, and you can tell it's a piece of wood. And this is his finished product, and it looks like somebody went out into the woods and found this antler laying on the ground. If he wasn't here telling me exactly what he did, I would be saying BS. Because that does not look like a piece of wood. That is what he starts with. This is a product that he ends up with. Like I said, I would have found this out in the woods, because that's what it looks like. It looks like a real antler. The man does a really great job. Christian man, loves to work with wood. If y'all need somebody to make a set of antlers or repair a damaged clock, this clock, one of the ears was missing on the rabbit, and you can't tell by the way he colors it. One of the legs was missing on this pheasant, but again, you can't tell by the way he colors it. He matches the color to look like a clock that is 130, 140 years old.
And this is hickory.
And it's hickory, so it is strong. I wouldn't do that because I'd break it.
No, you wouldn't.
Both ears were missing on this deer. Well, they weren't missing, they were broken off. You can't tell where he repairs it. Unless you get out a microscope, a magnifying glass, and looks really hard, you're not going to see where he repairs this stuff. So if y'all need something repaired, contact Steve. He lives in Missouri, and you can find him on my group page. You can find him on Facebook. So get a hold of Steve. Does a great job. And by the way, look at this clock. Didn't notice this before, but it's got a double door for this antique clock.